We spend fortunes maintaining the skin on our faces. Yet, despite rigorous routines, our hands reveal a different biological story. The reason for this contrast is purely structural. Facial skin is dense and supported by a high concentration of sebaceous glands that produce protective oils. But as you can see here, the skin on the back of the hand is much thinner, and it contains almost none of those natural oil-producing glands. Because the skin is so thin and lacks its own oil, expensive luxury hand creams often fail. They lack the structural components to move past the surface, meaning the moisture they provide evaporates into the air almost as soon as you apply them. We accelerate this aging through daily habits. Every time we wash, soap strips away the tiny amount of natural protective oil the skin produces. Furthermore, driving exposes hands to consistent UV radiation. This radiation penetrates the thin skin, breaking down the collagen fibers that give hands their smoothness. Most of us try to fix this by browsing the crowded aisles of the beauty department, looking for a high-priced cream with a pleasant fragrance. But in this market, you are often paying for branding rather than biological effectiveness. To truly repair the aging process on your hands, you don't need a more expensive scent. You need a two-part chemical strategy that addresses the hand's specific lack of natural oil. The first step in this process is using a pure humectant. A humectant is a specific type of molecule that acts like a magnet for water, pulling moisture from the air directly into your tissues. Pure aloe vera is a perfect biological humectant. Its mucopolysaccharides bind to water, pulling moisture into the stratum corneum. Fully saturating this outer barrier creates a hydrated environment for deeper layers. This maintains fibroblasts, star-shaped cells producing collagen and elastin to keep skin firm. However, using a humectant on its own has a significant flaw. In a dry environment, the moisture that the aloe pulled into your skin will eventually evaporate back out. Deep hydration is only half the battle. To keep that moisture where it belongs, you need a physical mechanism to seal the skin barrier. Pure petroleum jelly, or Vaseline, is arguably the most effective occlusive ever discovered. It's a simple, no-nonsense barrier used for over a century. Its effectiveness is measured by stopping transepidermal water loss, the natural evaporation of moisture through the skin. Vaseline is hydrophobic, creating an impenetrable seal over the skin. It physically blocks water loss, forcing moisture to stay trapped within the layers. When you apply aloe vera first, then seal it with Vaseline, you create a microscopic greenhouse effect. The two ingredients work together to push moisture deeper into the dermal layers than any single cream could. By combining a pure humectant with a pure occlusive, you provide a more robust physical seal than most complex lotions. You are simply using the mechanics of the skin barrier to your advantage. To put this into practice, start with step 1. Wash your hands thoroughly. Leave them slightly damp so there is immediate moisture for the humectant to bind to. Step 2. Apply a generous layer of pure aloe vera gel. You want a significant amount of the humectant to ensure you're delivering a massive influx of water to the surface. Step 3 is the seal. Immediately apply a layer of Vaseline over the aloe. You need to do this before the water has a chance to begin evaporating. The final step is the most important for long-term repair. Cover your hands with simple cotton gloves before you go to bed. These gloves serve a dual purpose. They keep the mixture on your skin rather than your sheets, and they trap body heat, which helps the skin absorb the hydration matrix more effectively overnight. Aging skin isn't a problem that requires expensive branding to solve. It's a biological challenge that can be met by consistently applying the core principles of hydration and occlusion to restore your skin from the inside out.